Papaya is often hailed as a superfruit, packed with enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants that support digestion, improve immunity, and even promote glowing skin. But what if we told you that eating papaya the wrong way can actually harm your health? Yes, despite all its benefits, papaya can quickly turn from a healing fruit to a health risk when consumed improperly. From timing mistakes to seed misuse, many people unknowingly make these common errors every day. If you're someone who eats papaya regularly or wants to add it to your diet, make sure you're not guilty of these 7 dangerous habits. Let's dive into the 7 common papaya eating mistakes that could be doing more harm than good. Mistake 1. Eating unripe papaya without knowing the risks. Unripe papaya contains a high amount of latex, a milky white fluid that can cause serious health concerns in certain individuals. Latex in unripe papaya can lead to uterine contractions and is especially dangerous for pregnant women, potentially increasing the risk of miscarriage. Even for others, latex can trigger allergic reactions, stomach discomfort, or irritation in the throat. If you're not intentionally seeking out green papaya for specific cooking recipes, always choose ripe papayas. They should have a yellow-orange peel with minimal green patches and yield slightly to pressure. Eating fully ripe papaya reduces the latex content significantly, making it much safer and more digestible. Mistake 2. Consuming papaya seeds have gained popularity for their anti-parasitic and detoxifying properties. And yes, they do contain some health-boosting compounds like benzyl isothiocyanate. However, moderation is key. Eating too many papaya seeds can actually lead to toxicity and may affect your liver due to their strong antibacterial and anti-fertility properties. Some animal studies have shown that high doses of papaya seed extract can lead to fertility issues in males. Unless you've been guided by a qualified nutritionist, stick to a small amount, about half a teaspoon per day, and avoid giving papaya seeds to children or pregnant women altogether.
The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video.
Mistake 3. Mixing papaya with certain foods. Papaya is rich in the enzyme papain, which helps break down proteins and aids digestion. But when mixed with certain dairy products like milk or yogurt, it can lead to digestive conflicts, bloating, and reduced nutrient absorption. Ayurveda also advises against combining fruits like papaya with starchy or high-protein meals, as the enzymatic activity can interfere with the digestion process and cause fermentation in the gut. If you're eating papaya, it's best to consume it on its own, or wait 30 to 45 minutes before or after meals to ensure smooth digestion and maximum benefit. Mistake number 4. Eating papaya on an empty stomach. While fruits are generally a great way to start the day, papaya, with its high enzyme content, can be too intense for some digestive systems when consumed immediately after waking up. Especially for individuals with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs, eating papaya on an empty stomach might cause irritation, heartburn, or even diarrhea. Instead, consider having papaya as a mid-morning snack or as part of a balanced breakfast after a light meal. This gives your stomach time to wake up and better handle the active enzymes without causing discomfort. Mistake 5. Ignoring allergic reactions and sensitivities. Some people experience symptoms like itching in the mouth, throat irritation, or even hives after eating papaya. This is often linked to a latex allergy, which can cross-react with the enzymes in papaya. Other signs of papaya intolerance include gas, bloating, stomach cramps, or nausea. Unfortunately, many people brush off these symptoms or assume it's something else. If you notice these signs consistently after eating papaya, stop immediately and consult a medical professional. Even though papaya is a nutrient-rich fruit, it's not suitable for everyone. Your body knows best. Always listen to it. Mistake number 6. Eating overripe or spoiled papaya. We often think fruits are harmless even when they're very soft or slightly fermented. But with papaya, this can be dangerous. Overripe papaya can harbor harmful bacteria, mold, and yeast, especially if it's been left out in warm environments. Consuming spoiled papaya can lead to food poisoning symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If your papaya smells sour, feels overly mushy, or has white fuzz on its surface, throw it out immediately. A properly ripe papaya should have a sweet aroma and firm but soft flesh without any signs of mold or excessive bruising. Eating spoiled papaya may also disturb your gut flora and trigger bloating or cramping. Some people report developing acid reflux or indigestion after consuming papaya that's slightly fermented. Remember, the high sugar content in papaya makes it a breeding ground for microbes when it's past its prime. Never rely on appearance alone. Always do a smell test before eating. If the fruit leaks liquid or has a fermented, alcohol-like odor, it's already decomposing. Also, avoid papaya that's been cut and left uncovered in the fridge for days. Exposure to air and moisture can accelerate spoilage. To be safe, always store ripe papayas in the refrigerator and consume them within 2 to 3 days of cutting. Mistake number 7. Using papaya as a meal replacement. Papaya is light, low in calories, and packed with fiber, which makes it great for digestion and weight management. But replacing full meals with just papaya on a regular basis can lead to nutritional deficiencies over time. It doesn't have enough protein, healthy fats, or complex carbohydrates to fuel your body for hours. While papaya fasts or detoxes may be trendy, they're not sustainable or balanced. If you're including papaya in your diet for health reasons, make sure it's part of a diverse and nutrient-rich plan, not the only thing you rely on. Your body needs a wide range of nutrients, and papaya alone can't provide everything. Let's take a quick pause. Have you ever made one of these papaya mistakes without realizing it? Or maybe you've tried eating papaya in a certain way and noticed unexpected results. Drop your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Your insights might help someone avoid the same mistake and use papaya the right way. Bonus tips to get the best out of papaya. Now that you know what to avoid, here are a few bonus tips to maximize the benefits of this tropical powerhouse. Pair it with lime juice. Squeeze of lime not only enhances flavor but adds vitamin C and helps cut down on sugar absorption. Buy organic when possible. To reduce pesticide exposure and chemical ripening, use the peel externally. Papaya peel can be rubbed on the skin for a natural glow and mild exfoliation. Just be sure to rinse thoroughly afterward. Avoid canned or processed papaya. These often contain added sugars and preservatives, which cancel out many of the health benefits. Fresh is always best. Before you go, let us know in the comments, how did you find this video helpful? Have you been making any of these papaya mistakes, or did we surprise you with one you hadn't heard of? And if you want to discover more health tips, fruit facts, and natural remedies like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching. Your feedback helps us bring you better, more targeted content every week. If you've got a specific fruit or health myth you want us to cover, drop it in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.